Hello and welcome. Today we have Piyush here with us, a proud student of Learning Academy, who has successfully completed his journey from basic level to advanced English fluency. Let's hear about his experience from him. Hello Piyush.
Hello, sir.
Can you introduce yourself a little more before joining Learning Academy?
When I haven't joined the academy, learning academy, so I was I was little comfortable with English, like speaking some words of English, and was knowing like a very bit of the English, like some grammar rules and all. But when I joined the academy, so I got to know. I got a chance to learn from the very beginning to advanced level, and I learned from basic grammar rules to public speaking and communication skills. That's how I enhanced my speaking skills so far.
Okay. Can you tell us how did you get to know about Learning Academy? How did you hear about us?
When I was in my 10th class, so my father insisted me to like learn something, learn a new skill. So my father mindset was like, you can learn English, like it could be a new medium of communication for you, and it could be beneficial for you in the future for your career. So my cousin brother suggested me your academy, like which was new at that time, which was which was the new opening of your academy. So in the first week I was just here to came to have a demo class.
Mhm.
So when after 1 week I got to know like the source of education and the way sir and ma'am are teaching is good, and it could be beneficial, and it would help me a lot. So uh, I decided to be here and learn the rest of the part.
Okay. How was your experience during your course and like what teaching methods you admire the most?
Like first, ma'am was teaching me my like basic grammar rules, and I learned a lot. Like both sir and ma'am were so comfortable and frank with not only with me, but also uh, also with each and every student. Like they were not so strict, like giving us homework or uh, punishing us on our mistakes. They were just making us to do and to make it done. And I learned like basic grammar rules, and then I I admired the most like the way every the sir teach, like they crack joke between while the class is going on, so the class get to don't get so boring or sleepy type. So it was like that's the part I admire most.
Okay. And any activity which you find the most helpful in improving your spoken English? Because in class we go through so many activities every day. We have something different to explore. So, which activity you remember you found most interesting and most helpful in improving your English?
I think the most helpful activity was debate for me, because in this discussion we are just discussing our point of views, and we are not arguing on our point of views. We are in discussion, we discuss the just a topic, but in debate we do critical thinking on the spot. We have to think a lot to dominate others point of view, and that's how you'll you will learn how to how to take decision, or uh, how to take quick decision, and how to think on the spot. And I learned critical thinking in that activity, and debate was the most helpful activity in my opinion.
Exactly. It is called the prompt speaking. When you have to think spontaneously on the spot. Okay. Good. Can you share any specific incident where you confidently used English and felt proud of yourself in the academy or outside the academy, if you remember?
In the academy, all we are students are tend to speak English, so I don't think so. There was a so proud moment.
But sometimes we feel like I have done my best and today I'm feeling so good. So, do you remember any such moment after attempting any kind of activity you felt like I did my best?
I think my first attempt when you insisted us to like
Be on the
be come on the come in the front of the class and speak from by reading or and by like whatever you have learned. So that was my best. And if I talk about uh, except in academy, so my uncle came to home and asked like, "Are you still learning English?" So he just asked me a simple question like, "How your days? How like tell me your daily routine, how day routine." So I was able to I wasn't able to speak it in that advanced way, but I was able to make him clarify like I am learning English and how much I have gained so far.
good. Tell me one more thing. How did the course impact your personal and professional life as you are a student? So, how did it impact your school life or personal life? Like you have to encounter so many people every day. Okay. So, how does it impact your life? I'm talking about English communication.
So if I talk about my school life, so it helped me a lot. Like it's not all about the English subject. It's about every subject which medium is in English. I am able to uh, fabricate fabricate the thing I have learned from any of any subject, like for example geography or for political science. So I am able to translate the material of the NCERT book in Hindi, and then I fabricate in it in my own way. So like in school life, it helped me in that way and affected my marks as well. And if I talk about my personal life, so it affected there too. Like I'm using little like small sentences with my brother, like not intentional, like unintentionally I use some small sentences and some advanced words while communicating. I don't speak so like full English, being so comfortable with my siblings, but I am I'm able to speak now. I'm that much free and able to speak little small sentences and vocabulary. So that's how it affected my professional and personal life.
Okay, good. Now, tell me, what would you like to say about the trainers at Learning Academy? You have, received support. What kind of support did you receive here? Being at Learning Academy, would you like to say something about the trainers and about ma'am and me?
I didn't learn so much from ma'am, but if I talk about the experience,
Actually, you didn't spend so much time with her.
I didn't spend so much time. So if I talk about you, so the one thing I noticed and I thought it's nice of you. You like every time uh, like we do discussion, debate, or like presentation activity or any activity we do. So you never say like you are not improving or like you never demotivate a student. You say you're doing your best. The wonderful you have done your best, and that's how you keep your student motivated. And so I think that was the part I liked the most.
Okay, good, wonderful. Did you find the study material, exercises, and activities engaging and effective? Like, I don't suggest anybody to buy any single book from outside. I give my own material to you, or and I provide that material on everyday basis. So I don't feel like my students needs to buy anything from outside. So what would you like to say about the material and exercises and activities we perform here? Are those exercises and activities engaging or effective?
As I think the material was so fascinating, like it made like you didn't make us purchase any outside material, and the material you shared with us, like it was so interesting and new for me. Like I wasn't aware about so much. Like every topic I was aware. Like uh, I was knowing a bit of it, like some basic or like an intro of the topic or the thing. So you made me clear about all the things, and the data, like you have shared all of us teach like everything about the world, like uh, we talk about uh, religion or like
we try to cover everything which is in the world which exists,
which
whether it's all about politics, religion, and lifestyle and fashion and history, whatever is there, because we consider English as a language, and we just want to speak more and more about everything, having the basic knowledge of all the topics.
and your material also involved like the uh, basic things we do regularly at homes, like the things we do of our daily routine, which we are not aware about. To what do we call it in English? So it that material was also included in it, and I have collected a bunch of that, and that would be so helpful for me.
Actually, we try to discuss more on situational discussion and situational communication. Like, if you are in hospital, how would you, speak to somebody? What kind of words would you be using there? And if you are in your college, then what kind of words do you need there? And if you are in a restaurant, what kind of words do you need there? So this is how we prepare our worksheets about, isn't it?
And absolutely, like every topic was new, so you were like you were not having preparation for any of the topics, so you have to think on the spot, and you have to share the like whatever you are aware, and if you are not aware about something, so you made us clear about that. So it was fantastic of you.
Good. Okay, Piyush. So, would you recommend Learning Academy to others, and why? Why should somebody join us?
Yes, I would recommend, because your academy is worth of value. Like uh, students, every age of student don't have to spend a lot in your academy, and you are just teaching in very less cost as compared to other academies. And we only talk about the study material and the data we get from here, so it's very valuable and beneficial for our future, and like what the English is all about. So I think I would absolutely recommend learn English Academy.
Okay, good. Next, Piyush, what message do you have for students who feel hesitant or nervous about learning English?
I think I would say like
Look at there.
I would say uh, don't don't feel uncomfortable while speaking English. Try to speak, no matter you are speaking wrong or right. Try to be comfortable. Uh, make it like your like Hindi language. Try to speak at your home, and don't fear to speak it like uh, if someone says something to you, if you are speaking English, so don't think about that and try to be normal with it. Also, like I was one of those who was so uncomfortable with English, and feeling very hesitated while speaking English. But now I'm able to record videos myself at home, being in front of my family, and I'm able to present presentation in front of class. So I am like now I am uh, able to speak, to do public speaking. So that's the message I would like to give.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much, Piyush, for sharing your inspiring journey with all of us. Your success motivates us to continue empowering more students to achieve their goals towards learning spoken English. Okay, have a nice meeting with you.